You have to come play this game. You have to come play this game. It's so fun. It's hard. Okay? Freaking hard. No, sit down. It's easier. Oh. There's the stink. Here, sit down. Freaking skate. No, there you Oh, damn. Okay, there. Now you try it. You can't touch the side.
What?
If you have to get to here.
Do I have to keep touching?
No, you have to hold it. There's starting to stink back here. Okay, so you go up there, and you have to go all the way over there without touching the side of it.
Okay, this thing.
It's a game.
I'm obviously gonna be able to do it.
Okay, now you have to go back that way, and you can't touch the side.
What happened?
You'll have to start from level 1 all over again. That's so bad.
Okay.
That's so cheap. Oh.